Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Working Hands. Today's video is going to be on one of my biggest mistakes. As a newbie, I was ready to get my hands dirty, so I decided I was going to place my garden bed near the fence so it wouldn't take up most of the space in my yard. This rush could have cost me all of my crop. When you are deciding to place your garden bed, make sure that there are no structures or trees blocking your garden bed from sun. Luckily, this fence only took up half of my garden bed, so it was easy to move. The first step was to remove all the soil from the back and place it towards the front. Right here, I decided that I was going to keep all of the grass that I was going to take up and slide this forward. So I used the shovel to dig a perimeter around, and then I slid the shovel up under until the grass loosened up. Then I cut it into smaller sections so that it'd be easier to transport. After all the grass was up, it was now time to slide the garden bed forward. After sliding it forward, I put the grass that I took out the front and placed it towards the back and watered it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button next to it. I'd like to send a special thanks to my boy Has Solo for helping me out on this project with the beat. Thanks.